All right. Dirty hands, clean money. All right, so what we're doing, we're remodeling this whole restroom. We're gonna pull these frames, right? Demolish this whole restroom. The tub is coming out. We're gonna put a stand-in tub here. Also, all these walls are gonna get tiled. We're gonna have a border, have a shower niche inside. We're gonna go ahead and do both vanities in tile. We're gonna put new lighting. We just want to show you guys the process of it. We're gonna change this, reroute some plumbing here. Tubs coming out. I have a border about here. Have a new bench going here. We're gonna use 12 by 24 inch tile, porcelain. Really nice. But yeah, so every day you gotta go get it. Hard work, dedication, get it done. Everybody can't, one person can't do everything, but everybody can do something.
All right.